If I were a food blogger, I would share with you how I cook the Turkish salad called Gyavurdak. Recently, I've been to Turkish restaurant and ate their very delicious salad, Gyavurdak, and for that we need tomato, cucumber, lemon juice, walnut, red onion, Bulgarian pepper, sweet, pomegranate, parsley, and the special sauce. It's called nar sharab, made of pomegranate, and the microdose of spicy paprika. I'm cutting all the vegetables one by one. I haven't decided yet whether to take a half of pomegranate or take just 1/4 of it. It's crucial to cut all the vegetables into small pieces, especially it's the rule for tomatoes in this salad. Final step, I am just put all the cut vegetables and parsley in one pot. Tomatoes, parsley, cut walnut, cut red Crimean onion, cucumber, Bulgarian pepper. I am mixing the Gyavurdak salad, and as the final step, add salt, pepper, lemon juice, and nar sharab sauce. It's my first time when I'm cooking this Turkish salad. Look how beautiful it is. Just outstanding salad. Bon appetit! Delicious. Turkish cuisine is a great one.